Hello everyone. We all know structure of benzene. Benzene contains 3 double bonds. However, it behaves differently than other unsaturated compounds. Let's take example of ethene. Ethene contains 1 double bond. When we react ethene with bromine, addition reaction takes place. Bromine adds to the double bond and we get 1,2-dibromoethane. Benzene, however, does not give addition reaction, though it contains 3 double bonds. Instead, it gives substitution reaction. Thus, when benzene is treated with bromine, one of the hydrogen on benzene ring gets replaced by bromine. Thus, double bonds in the ring remain intact. This apparent saturated behavior of benzene is called aromaticity. So in this video, we'll learn about substitution reactions of benzene. I am telling again and again, benzene contains 3 double bonds, means it contains 6 pi electrons, which are delocalized over the ring. And there is thick electron cloud above and below the benzene ring. Since electrons carry negative charge, positively charged species will get attracted towards benzene. This positively charged species is called as electrophile. Let us say E plus. So, substitution reaction on benzenes are called as aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. We can write general aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction as benzene on treatment with electrophile gives substituted benzene. In this reaction, one of the hydrogen on benzene is replaced by electrophile E. Let us now discuss mechanism. So this is actually two-step mechanism where in step 1 attack of electrophile takes place on benzene ring. So we can show it like this: benzene plus E plus. Now one of the pi bond is utilized for bond formation with electrophile. So what will happen? You will get sigma complex. One of the carbon forms bond with electrophile sigma bond, and since this carbon is now trivalent, you will have positive charge on this. So this is called as sigma complex. And since aromaticity is lost, this reaction is slow, or this step is slow step. Now this sigma complex is stabilized by resonance. We can show resonance like this. Here is positive charge and here are pi electrons. So these pi electrons get delocalized like this, and we will get new structure. So now pi bond has moved, shifted its position. So positive charge will be now on this carbon, and otherwise things are same. So again you can show resonating structure similarly by moving one pi bond. Again you can show structure like this. So what happens is positive charge is delocalized over the ring. So I can write this like actual resonance hybrid is, and so this is called as sigma complex, and this is carbocation benzanonium ion. Sigma complex form is stable due to resonance. In step 2, loss of proton takes place. For showing loss of proton, I have taken one resonating structure. The base present in the medium abstracts one of the hydrogen, and the electrons between carbon and hydrogen are now moved to benzene. So what we will get is our product, and since aromaticity is regained, this is fast reaction. We can plot energy profile diagram for this reaction, energy against progress of reaction. Since this is two-step reaction, we will get energy profile diagram like this with two humps. Step 1 is reactant to intermediate, and from step 2 is from intermediate to product. So I will write starting material, that is benzene and electrophile. My intermediate is sigma complex. I am showing resonance hybrid, and my product is substituted benzene. So from reactant to intermediate there will be transition state 1, and from intermediate to product there is transition step 2. In first step, since aromaticity is lost, activation energy needed is higher, the step is slow, and it is rate determining step. From intermediate to product, since aromaticity is regained, this is fast reaction. The difference between energy of reactant and product is delta H.